Hi there, hi everyone, welcome today on World Animal Day. Yes, it's Tuesday, October the 4th, 2022, World Animal Day. We have here in this newspaper only one a regular puzzle. It's a medium Sudoku. In this newspaper, we have also a lot of extra puzzles. Seven exactly, and those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2-star Sudoku, the 3-star Sudoku, the 4-star Sudoku. We have two tectonics, one with 4 stars and one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. In Japanese, Suguru. And the last one, a binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only half of them I will solve today. But first we will start with a regular medium Sudoku. Let me position the camera first. And this one will be number 52701. 5271. Okay. Focus. Let me focus. 5271. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has, I believe, 26 printed digits. 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1-star, 2 stars, a 3 stars, and a 4 stars Sudokus. In addition, this will be a 2-stars puzzle. For 2-stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. 15 to 20 minutes. Is this really a 2 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. All right. Let me scan the puzzle. We have a 4 and a 9 in this column. We have a 4 and a 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 4 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Then the 9 in the first column, the 9 in the second column. So the third column, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be there. 9, 9, 9. 9, 9. 9, 9. Okay, cannot continue with the 9. How about? 1, 2, 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7. Goes there. 2 numbers left in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have an 8 in the last row. No 8 there. 8 should be here. The 6 goes there. We have 8 in the last row, the 8 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the first column. No 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the last column. 8 in the column next. So that column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8, 8. Cannot continue with the 8 now. How about? Yeah. 4, 3, 6. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers. 3 of those missing numbers are the 3, the 4, and the 6. We have a 3, 4, and a 6 in this last row. So no 3, 4, and a 6 in these 2 boxes. The 3, 4, and a 6 goes in those 3 boxes. Well, we have a 3 in this row, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. So the 4 and the 6 goes in these 2 boxes. So what are the other 2 numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, And the 5 is missing. 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. We have a 1 in this second column. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. Let me mark those. So here we have 2 missing numbers in the last row for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and 7, the 8, and 9 is missing. 2 and 9, 2 and 9. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. No. The 1 and the 5. Almost made a mistake. 1 and the 5. The 2 we already have here. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 and 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have a 7 in the last column. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 4 goes there. And we have a pair. 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 7. We have a 4 and a 7 in the last column, so no 4 and a 7 in these 3 boxes. The 4 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as pair. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. So 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6 is missing, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 5, 6, 9. 5, 6, 9, 5, 6, 9, 5, 6, 9. And look, we have a 6 and a 9 in this row. So no 6 and a 9 in this box. The 6 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 5. 1 and a 5, we have a 5 now in the last column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 1 box left in the last column for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 missing numbers now in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. We have a 7 in this third column. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And 3 goes there. Then 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row. So the third row, only 3 places left for the 3 should be here, here, or there. We see here 3 in the third column, no 3 there. Here 3 in the first column, no 3 there. The only place left for the 3 should be there. 9 in the third row, 9 in the first row. So the row between the second row, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. You see a 9 in this column, no 9 there, 9 should be there. Let me count the 3s and all the 3s. Nope, not used. Need a 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So the row between, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. You see a 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Now I can count. And all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 3. How about the 9? And all the 9s are not used. 9 and 6, we have a 9 in this row. No 9 there, 9 should be here. And the 6 goes, and then now I can count. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 9. Alright. The 1 in this row, the 1 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. Here we have a pair 2 and 8. So the other pair here should be the 7 and the 4. Let me remind this. Well. Well. How about 6, 4, and 7. 3 missing numbers in the second column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 4, 6, 7. 4, 6, 7, 4, 6, 7, 4, 6, 7. We have a 4 and a 7 in this row. So no 4 and a 7 in this box. The 4 and a 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 7 in this row. So no 7 there. 7 should be there. And the 4 goes there. So 1 digit left in the second column for number 6. 7 and the 4, we have a 7 now in the middle row. So no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number 4, I believe. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for 4 should be there. 4 and 6, we have a 4 in the first column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. We have a 6 in the first column. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in the first column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 7 in this second row. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Yeah. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. We have a 2 in the third row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. The 5 goes there. 2 in this row. 2 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have an 8 in the third row. No 8 there. 8 should be here. The 1 goes there. 8 in the first row. 8 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 2 and 8. We have an 8 now in the middle column. So no 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 2 and 5. We have a 2 now in the middle column. So no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 5 goes there. The 5 in this column. The 5 in the middle column. So the column next. The only place left for the 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and the 6, 1 and the 6. We have a 1 in the third row. No 1 there. 1 should be here. The 6 goes there. The 1 in this row, first row, 1 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 4 in the first row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 6 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Wow. 2 stars. No. Let me give this a 1 star. Because I'm faster than 15 minutes. I'm very well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the other 4 puzzles in additional. Until then, bye bye for now.